Hi, I'm Leomar Pacheco in 11 ABM Pasioli. This is my performance task in MTech. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng technology? Technology refers to the application of scientific knowledge, tools, and techniques to solve problems, improve efficiency, and enhance human life. It includes physical devices like computers, smartphones, and machinery, as well as intangible systems like software, the internet, and the artificial intelligence. Technology is used in various fields such as education, healthcare, communication, and transportation, making tasks easier and advancing society. Technology plays a vital role in the daily life of students, enhancing their learning experience frequency and community behaves how it impacts student lives. Access to information and resources. Technology provides instant access to a vast array of education materials, including e-books, videos, online courses, and searching papers. Platforms like Google, Scholar, Khan Academy, and Wikipedia help students define their understanding of topics, enhance learning of opportunities. Digital tools such as education apps, simulation, and virtual labs make learning more interactive and engaging. Technology is like AR and VR allow immersive learning experiences, helping students visualize complex concepts, improve communication online. Communication tools like email, messaging apps, and collaborative platform. Google Workplace allows students interact with peers, teachers, and experts worldwide. Discussion forums and online communities enable students to share ideas and problems collaboratively.